Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind, sir.
How are you all?
Good, sir.
Okay, done with your fair sheet and rough sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how was the topic?
Good, sir.
Deforestation, good. Okay, so understand the topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you ready for your narration part and your GD part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for the narration, each of you will be allotted 1 minute to narrate your topic. And in that narration, you will start with your introduction first, okay?
Yes,
and
sir.
in the introduction, you will tell your name, the place you belong to, your education qualification, your hobbies, and the reason to join Indian Air Force. Understand?
Yes, sir.
After the completion of your introduction, you will immediately start your narration. And after the completion of last test number, that is number 12, when he completes with his narration, you will immediately start your group discussion. Understand?
Yes, sir.
We'll go with chest number 4, after 13, then 8, then 9, and further last to chest number 12. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start with chest number 4.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vishnu Sarviya. I am from Gujarat. Regarding to my education, currently I am pursuing my graduation from Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Bhavnagar University. My hobbies are working and playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because I inspire the spirit of soldiers. They always ready for nation. This dedication and discipline are motivated me become part of this proud cause. Today's topic is deforestation. Deforestation is a serious problem they facing world today. Deforestation means cutting and cleaning a tree.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Swaroop Singh Rajpurohit. I am a resident of Pali in Rajasthan. I have successfully completed my class 12th from CBSE board. Currently I am pursuing my BSc from Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur. My hobbies are playing cricket and volleyball, and I want to join Indian Air Force because it allows me to serve the nation with the honor, and I want to help my family financially. Now coming to the topic that has been assigned to me is deforestation. Deforestation means the cutting down the forest at very large scale, and for the human activities like farming, industrialization, urbanization, and manufacturing roads and infrastructure. Forests are known as the lungs of earth, which produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, which help to maintain the temperature of our earth. Approx 31% of our earth's land is covered with the forest, which absorbed billions of tons of carbon dioxide per year. There are some causes which create deforestation, like urbanization, industrialization, and
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Naval Prajapat. I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan. I complete my 10 plus 2 studies from RBSc board, and currently I am pursuing my BTech degree from MBM University, Jodhpur in the specialization of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And my hobby is to playing chess and reading Hindi novels. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives opportunity to work with the best technology in the world, and also give opportunity to serve the nation and teaches about disciplined life. And today our topic is about deforestation. It means cutting trees by human for their self greed, and people are cutting trees and remove the forest for expanding the cities and the industries, and deforestation results increasing in the greenhouse gases and climate change, and also in overheating in many places. And world has lost 480 million acres area of forest in last 20 years, and by deforestation we have loss of biodiversity and also impact on the population. And thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Anil Mugana. I am from Gujarat district, Bhavnagar. Currently I am pursuing my graduation from Maharaja Krishna Kumar University, Bhavnagar. My hobby is draw painting and play cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because serve the nation and feel my parents proud. Today's topic is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down trees in large numbers. Tree is very important for people, animal, and nature. Forest give us fresh air, food, medicine, and other air, less air pollution. Deforestation is a serious problem that needs our attention. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone,
My name is Ilman Chaudhary. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I have completed my 10th plus 2 from RBC board, Rajasthan. Now I completed my graduation from MDC University, Ajmer. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides to opportunity to serve nation and adventure life. Today's topic assigned to me is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting forest on a large scale. It's a major environment issue that affect wildlife, human life, and climate change. Deforestation increase global warming because tree havers absorb carbon dioxide. Deforestation causes irregular rainfall, floods, and climate change. Planting more trees and using forest resources responsibly are the best solution. Thank you. Jai.
Jai everyone, my name is Jackson Sani. I belong from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I completed my 12th class RBSc board. My hobby is playing volleyball. My aim is join Indian Air Force to serve my nation. Now my views on topic is deforestation. Deforestation is the main problem of whole world, which faces the whole world. It increases the global warming and affect the environment. People give trees for our personal use, like industrial area. Many people sacrifice her life to save the trees, like Amrita Devi. Thank you.
Jai everyone, my name is Abhishek Vishnoi and I am from Jodhpur. Currently, I have passed my 12th from RBSc board and now I am pursuing my graduation from Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur. My hobbies are to play volleyball and cricket game and I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me an opportunity to serve our nation and an adventurous life. Now I put my opinion on today's topic, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting off trees in a large scale and also it is a benefit for the greed of peoples and also it will be stored by the not government but also public have to put efforts to stop it and plant more and more trees to reduce deforestation. Deforestation also have many negative impacts like its main cause are that mining, industrialization, urbanizations and many things. Deforestation is also starts global warming, reduce rainfalls and many things. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ravindra Gopal Chaudhary. I am from Thane, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University. My hobbies are playing cricket and volleyball. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a disciplined career opportunity and adventurous life. Now I would like to talk on my topic, deforestation. Deforestation is cutting trees on a large scale for urbanization, infrastructure development and other. Deforestation causes increase in global warming, increase in greenhouse gases and emissions. There are many consequences of deforestation. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Manoj Kumar. I am come from City Rajasthan. Now I am currently pursuing my graduation from BMI Kota. My hobby is playing volleyball and history. My aim to join Indian Air Force and serve the nation with honors and discipline. Today I want to discuss the topic. The topic is the deforestation. Save Earth, save the future generation. Deforestation means the cutting of forest and trees. They mainly affect the global warming and increase the ocean. The government has many programs to promote the forestation, like Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam and Save the Green India. In my opinion, we can not only the government but every citizen has promote the and more growth the tree. We can save the earth. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Bintu Giri. I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th class from RBS board.
My hobbies are playing kabaddi and cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation and it is my childhood dream also. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me, deforestation. Deforestation is one of the most biggest problem facing the world today. Deforestation means the cutting trees and forest on large number. Deforestation have many affected like global warming, drought and floods. Hence, the government made many rules to stop the deforestation, but we should support it. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Lakshman. I am from Devar, Rajasthan. I am currently pursuing my BSc from J. Narayan Vyas University. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives the opportunity to serve my nation and offers a disciplined and challenging career. Here's my view on impact of deforestation. Forests are the lungs of earth, but people are just cutting to fulfill their greed. The people are cutting faster than the nature can rebuild them. There are many advantages and disadvantages of deforestation. The advantages are that it produces woods for furniture and land for industrial and urbanization. But the other hand, it has many disadvantages. The major disadvantages are that it causes global warming and highly increasing the temperatures and the climate change. Thank you.
Recently, the Ravli Hills has many mining and deforestation of the event affect the Rajasthan and Haryana.
Climate change is the most reason of deforestation.
We should plantation to stop it.
Cutting down these trees will affect our environment and our livelihood.
Forest gives us oxygen, we should stop it.
We should plantation to stop the deforestation.
Deforestation destroy habitats of wildlife and reduce biodiversity.
Approx 1.6 billion people is totally dependent on the forest.
Approx 31% of our land is covered with the forest, which absorb billions of tons of carbon dioxide per year.
Forest plays a major role in our life. Forest give oxygen and take carbon dioxide.
It major impact on the society that habitats are very disturbed by deforestation like plants and animals.
We can
tree cut for wood and paper.
Government celebrate every 21 March World Forest Day because and encourage people to save forest and about encourage to their benefit.
Stop deforestation is not responsibility of government but also every citizen.
Planting more tree and uses resources of forest responsibly are the best solution.
The tree and forest are reduce the CO2 oxygen and billions of.
Hectares are cutted per year.
The mainly mining activities and the deforestation we can affect the global and
Forest maintain ecological balance and provide oxygen.
By deforestation, we have
causes
loss of biodiversity.
irregular rainfall.
Forest also increase the rain possibility and manage the water cycle.
deforestation has reduced the billions of carbon dioxide.
Due to deforestation, there is increase of globalization.
Deforestation increase global warming.
Deforestation is the main reason of climate change.
Chest number 4 to chest number 11, one group. Chest number 2 to chest number 12, second group. First group, start discussion.
Apart from human activities, there is some natural disaster which causes deforestation like forest fires.
Government creates many law against the deforestation.
Forest also increase the oxygen level and decrease the carbon dioxide level. Therefore, their clean environment and fresh environment.
Approx 1.6 billion people is totally dependent on the forest for their life.
Deforestation increase landslide.
Forest maintain ecological balance and provide oxygen.
Approx 80% of terrestrial plants and animals live in the
Okay.
forest.
Second group, start discussion.
Deforestation main reason increasing consumption and
The deforestation has many effects like global warming and increase the sea level and many more.
Deforestation should be stopped because the forests are lungs of earth and it also give oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide.
Deforestation causes drought.
it gives us oxygen
Deforestation causes drought, flood.
Okay,
and
whole group
landslides.
start discussion.
When we save the earth, our generation will be saved.
Many
There are also
social-
long-term bad impact of deforestation, like severe climate change and biological loss.
Amazon forest is called as lung of the earth.
climate change.
Program that per you have to work.
Deforestation.
Okay, you all did a great job. You may go now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now it's time for your feedback. Okay.
Yes, sir.
चेस्ट नंबर 4 स्टार्टिंग अच्छी थी, बाद में आगे जाके हालत बिगड़ गई और उसी का नतीजा दिखा। ग्रुप डिस्कशन के अंदर भी अपन थोड़े से अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए। ऐसा नहीं होना है। अगर आपकी गलती हो गई तो हो गई, उसको लेके आगे तक नहीं चलना है, ठीक है। एकदम छोटी सी गलती थी ये, बारीक सी, तुम आगे भूल गए, कोई इतनी बड़ी मिस्टेक नहीं है। अब तुम एक पेपर को पूरे दिन तक हाथ में उठा के रखोगे तो वो पेपर भी पहाड़ के समान लगेगा, है ना। तो इस चीज़ को, इस दबाव को आगे तक अपने साथ कैरी मत करो। तुम्हारे अगर नरेशन में गलती हो गई कोई बात नहीं, लेफ्ट आउट। जीडी के ऊपर फोकस रखो। अब आगे क्या है, तुम्हारे पीछे की वजह से तुम्हारा आगे खराब नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। कीप इन माइंड। चेस्ट नंबर 13 गुड ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस, ठीक है। नरेशन के अंदर डोंट इग्नोर योर लास्ट चेस्ट नंबर, वहाँ पे ऐसी सीटिंग पोजीशन हो नहीं हो, बट कीप इन माइंड, ठीक है। आई कांटेक्ट। चेस्ट नंबर 18 गुड, ठीक है। बट आप सबकी एक दिक्कत थी क्या, कि व्हेन आई डिवाइडेड योर ग्रुप इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, लाइक चेस्ट नंबर 4 टू चेस्ट नंबर 11 एंड चेस्ट नंबर 2 टू चेस्ट नंबर 12, आई डिवाइडेड। अब उसके अंदर व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू टू start your group discussion, you all are just focusing on your front of the candidate and you are discussing something. अब जब आपको बोला है मैंने 5-6 जनों को आपस में डिस्कस करने के लिए, तो आप सामने क्यों देख रहे हो, अपने आसपास क्यों नहीं देख रहे, सब सामने देख के बोले, ठीक है। सेम विथ यू गाइस, है ना।
Yes, sir.
और ये 2 ग्रुप डिवाइड करने का कारण क्या होता है,
Cis market.
पार्टिसिपेशन। सबको चांस दे दिया मैंने, ग्रुप के अंदर चांस नहीं मिल रहा था, मैंने इन 5 जनों को चांस दे दिया। अब इन 5 में से चेस्ट नंबर 9 बोला ही नहीं, सेकंड ग्रुप के अंदर सब बोले। ओके, दैट मीन्स चेस्ट नंबर 9 इज फेयरिंग आउट। पीपल्स के सामने ग्रुप के अंदर बोलने से वो हिचकिचा रहा है, तो चेस्ट नंबर 9 गया। आई बात समझ में?
Yes, sir.
इसीलिए करता है असेसर ग्रुप को डिवाइड। वहाँ पे हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, पर होता है। तो क्या ध्यान रखना है, अगर बोल दिया चेस्ट नंबर 4 टू चेस्ट नंबर 11, तो तुम्हारे लिए यही ग्रुप है, इनको भूल जाओ सामने वालों को, इनको देख के नरेशन दो। सेम विथ यू, ओके।
Okay, sir.
चेस्ट नंबर 9, ठीक है। थोड़ा वो गुजराती टोन आता है भाषा के अंदर, पर ठीक है। 10, ठीक है, लाउड वॉइस है, थोड़ा बहन से ऐसे आगे आके बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। एक बार बैठ गए चेयर के ऊपर अच्छे से टिक के, अपनी बैक को स्ट्रेट कर दिया, उसके बाद में हिलने डुलने की जरूरत नहीं है। चेस्ट नंबर 11 थोड़े से डर रहे हो, 2-3 बार असेसर को भी देखा, असेसर को नहीं देखना है, ठीक है। चेस्ट नंबर 2, ठीक है। 16, ठीक है। एक चीज़ 16 की, अपन जब बोले तब अपन ये दूसरों से उम्मीद करते हैं कि मुझे सब सुने, तो जब दूसरे बोल रहे हो तो आपको भी प्रॉपर लिसन करना है, ठीक है। जब जो बोल रहा हो उसकी तरफ प्रॉपर अटेंशन दो, ठीक है। 5, ठीक है। 20, ओके। 12, ठीक है। थोड़ा जो बोल रहे हो वो थोड़ा क्लियर बोलो, ठीक है। सेंटेंस पहले अपने दिमाग में बैठा लो। नरेशन के अंदर चलो मैं समझ सकता हूँ तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है, पर जीडी के अंदर तुम्हारे पास पूरा टाइम है कि तुम सेंटेंस बना सको। कोई दूसरा बोल रहा है तब तक, फिर मैं अच्छे से अपना सेंटेंस बोलूँ। हड़बड़ी में बोलने से कोई मतलब नहीं है, तुम खुद भी गलत प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हो, गलत सेंटेंस बोलते हो। इससे अच्छा 2 जने बोल रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं, जब तक मैं अपना सेंटेंस बनाता हूँ। जैसे ही मेरा सेंटेंस अच्छा बना, मैंने जीडी के अंदर अपना एक सेंटेंस बोल दिया। अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
किसी को कोई दिक्कत?
No, sir.
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फेज 2, यू मे गो। थैंक यू।
sir.